Hi everyone. So this is the next part where we are actually writing down the code for the text reader, multi-line text reader. So without any delay, I will share my screen with all of you and I have opened Google Colab where I'm going to write down the code. So as you all know that we need libraries for, just understanding, like just see the code for text reader. Okay. So we will be writing down the code and the libraries. As you all know that the very first library we are using is Easy OCR. So here I will write a code import Easy OCR. Next I'm importing CV2. You all know why I'm importing this. If you don't know, you can check the previous videos. So it will be Matplotlib import pyplot as plt, import numpy as np. So these all are the libraries we have. Now we will take the picture because we want the picture path. So I'm just going over here for the files. I will click on this one and I will get my file. So I got the picture, surf picture. Every time actually you need to upload your file. So I think I'm not getting it. I'll click open. Yes, it's here, surf.jpg. Now I will give image path. So image path is equals to, you will be writing down the name of the picture as it is given. Then I made the variable reader that will read with the help of easy OCR the text from the picture, and you need to actually define what will be the text. So it's in English and I'll just put a comma. GPU will be true. Come to the next line. I got the result like this much we did already. Reader dot read text, and you will read the text from image path and will get the result. So when you run this much now, you will get the result, whatever it is. Then you are having, like, we want to draw the rectangle on the image. Now that's what we are writing, image CV2 im read image path then next I'm putting for loop for detection in result. Now I'm giving the position, okay, as I told you. So first I'm taking the position for top left is equals to tuple integer value. It should be integer value, okay, for value in detection, and you will have your index that will be 0 and 0. So this will be your first position of the text. Then the second position I told you is bottom right. Bottom right again will be tuple integer value for value in detection, and you will give the coordinate as 0, 2. As I already told you that you will give the coordinate value for the detection. Okay. Then you are having text detection. Text is equals to detection 1. Now I'm going to give the font because I actually want to show the text on it. So I will be writing cv2 dot font HERSHEY simplex. Then we'll come to the next part. As we have to detect the image now, so I'm just going to write image is equals to cv2 dot rectangle. It will draw the rectangle onto the picture. Then image text top left font 0.4. The color will be 255. 255. Here you can write any color code of your choice. This you have done in Pygame library, like how you can make the object. If you don't know, you can go and check for the tutorial. It's available. So line AA is actually indicate that the first line. Okay. Like above at the top of the line, you will show the text where you will show the text actually, the position of showing the text. It is. Now I'm just coming out from the loop, and here I will use Matplotlib library. So I'm using plt dot figure fig size is equals to 10, 10. So this is actually I'm giving the size, and you can increase, decrease the size accordingly. I am show image. This you have done already to the face detection and deep face one. So that's why we are using a lot of libraries, okay? Because without these libraries, it's not possible to complete. Now I'm just going to install Easy OCR because every time when you run it, you have to install Easy OCR, pip install Easy OCR. Now I'm going to run this one first. So wait for a while to install the library. It's taking little time and it's done. Okay. Now let me run the code. So in this code, I have explained you the coordinate already so well. It's loading and within some time we will get our result. It says that image CV2 is having some issue. Let's see what will be the issue. Image CV2 rectangle image. Image CV2 rectangle image. Image top left, bottom right. अच्छा 1 line of code ही miss कर दिया तुमने. So actually here, the 1 line of code is missing. It's, draw the image rectangle, but we have to position it like image should be top left and bottom right. And what will be the color and what will be the thickness of the rectangle. And then you will have the rectangle like where the text is going to show. So I'm running it again. Line is also showing error. Let me see. I got the error. Actually, I made one mistake over here. It's a rectangle and it should be text now. It should not be rectangle. So that's why. So it should be put text means I'm going to putting the text over the picture and then I will give the position. So let's do the final run now. Okay, again, it's having an error. What will be the error? Let's see. There is one comma missing. Hmm. That's what happens in text-based coding. If something is missing, it will not work at all. There's just one comma missing and it happens. So yes, please make sure about the thing. And here is your result. What is the result? Surf is your picture and it's showing the address for the picture. Let me see for the other picture that will have multi lines. So I'm having other picture. It's sign.png. So I'm going to change the name of the picture as sign.png. And let me run. So as you can see that these are the text we have, and actually the text color is white. That's why it's not showing much, but it will be like if you will change the color to, I just made it 0 and let's see. So that you can also see the text onto the rectangles with different colors. See, head protection must be worn on the side. It's a yellow color. It's not visible much, but yeah, it's almost visible. Okay. So whatever the picture you will be taking, you're just addressing the picture with the index, every picture, and this will be the program for multi-line text detection. That was the easy one that can have the text from any picture. But with this program, you can have the multi-line like text from the picture you can take. So yes, everyone, this is all about the tutorial. We will meet in the next tutorial. Till then, bye-bye.